Okay, we're walking in 1276. They upgraded us to the Honeymoon Cottage walkout suite. Very nice room. It's at Sandals, Montego Bay. Very nice bed. Double sinks. Nice shower. Nice tub. And over here you have your cooler. Fully stocked. Okay. And here, more space, plus you got your safe. It's a nice closet. And the best thing about the room is you come out here and right to the beach. This is our patio. The swim-up pool bar is right next to us there. So we just have to walk out our front door and we're at a swim-up bar. Nice little island right here for us. Got a nice patio out here. Nice room, nice upgrade. Thank you, Sandals. Those are the butler suites right next to us. Walk back in. Very nice. So there's our room, Sandals, 1276 Montego Bay. Awesome room.